Metal atoms have few electrons in their valence shell, and these are relatively weakly held. Though metal atoms group together in a crystalline lattice structure, they have very different properties to the ionic solids. For example, solid metals are able to conduct electricity. This is because the loosely held valence electrons of metal atoms are delocalized. They are not bound to one atom. Instead, they can move through the lattice in all directions. A sea of delocalized valence electrons surrounds the crystal lattice of the cations. The structure is held together by the strong electrostatic force between the sea of valence electrons and the metal cations. This is called metallic bonding. The electrons are constantly on the move, so the bonding acts in all directions. Metallic bonding is powerful enough to overcome the force of repulsion between the closely packed cations. The high melting points of most metals indicates the strength of the metallic bond.